Dear children, last day I taught you lesson 5th in civics, the judiciary. In this lesson I taught you लोक अदालत। लोक अदालत क्या है? आपको बताया था the legal process in our country has become lengthy and expensive. In our country has become lengthy and expensive. Legal process. हमारे देश में ये कानून व्यवस्था बहुत लंबी और महंगी है। इसके कारण महंगी और लेंथी मतलब बहुत दिनों तक केस चलते रहते हैं, जिसके लिए सरकार ने सबको समय पर न्याय उपलब्ध कराने के लिए, सस्ता एवं शीघ्र न्याय उपलब्ध कराने के लिए लोक अदालतों का गठन किया है। इन लोक अदालतों के माध्यम से लोगों को सस्ता एवं शीघ्र न्याय प्राप्त हो जाता है। इनमें किसी भी व्यक्ति को वकील करने की आवश्यकता नहीं होती है। इसमें आपसी समझौते के आधार पर न्याय किए जाते हैं। इसमें रिटायर्ड जज और सरकारी वकील ही भाग लेते हैं। अपना निजी प्रैक्टिस करने वाला हमें किसी प्रकार के वकील की आवश्यकता नहीं होती है। सरकार की ओर से ही सरकारी वकील उसमें शामिल होते हैं न्याय में, लेकिन अपने हम लोग नहीं कर सकते। अथवा रिटायर्ड जज होगा, वो आपसी समझौते के आधार पर फैसले करता है। ये अदालतों की मान्यता पहले तो नहीं थी, लेकिन अब इनके निर्णय कोर्ट फाइल में दर्ज कर दिए जाते हैं। जो भी निर्णय होते हैं कोर्ट फाइल में दर्ज कर दिए जाते हैं। तो इस तरह से ये समय समय पर अदालतें लगाई जाती हैं, गठित की जाती हैं और लोगों को न्याय इनमें प्राप्त होता है। आपको कल बताया था, फिर देख लें एक बार। तो लीगल प्रोसेस इन आवर कंट्री हैज बिकम लेंथी एंड एक्सपेंसिव। In order to save both time and money, इसमें कहते हैं समय भी बचता है, both time and money, और धन भी बचता है। लोक अदालत को हम पीपुल्स कोर्ट कहते हैं। Have been established, these are voluntary agency. This system has simplified the legal procedure. The Lok Adalat are presided over by retired judge. The disputing parties present their case and matter is settled without pleader, बिना वकील के साथ। The judgment of Lok Adalat is deemed to be a decree of a civil court. The Lok Adalat have proved very effective in providing speedy and cheap justice to the common people. The first Lok Adalat held in Delhi in 1985 decided 150 cases in a single day. Thus, these Lok Adalat have lightened the burden of other courts as well. The Lok Adalat are like Panchayat, and these make efforts for mutual agreement and compromise. The following type of cases are more suitable to be taken up by them: case of compensation, family dispute, case like guardianship, property, divorce, custody of children, separation, लैंडलॉर्ड टेनेंट केस, ये आपके इसमें होते हैं। अब मेन टाइप्स ऑफ जुडिशियल केस क्या होते हैं? कहते हैं जुडिशियल केस में बी ब्रॉडली क्लासिफाइड इनटू टू टाइप, सिविल केस एंड क्रिमिनल केस। यहाँ जुडिशियल सिस्टम को दो भागों में बांटा गया है, फर्स्ट सिविल और सेकंड है क्रिमिनल केसेस। देयर आर सम distinction between the civil cases and criminal cases which may be stated as below. First है civil case are concerned about private rights, whereas criminal case are those wrong committed against the community as a whole. Second, the civil courts include trespass, negligence, breach of contract, matrimonial cases, etc., while cases of serious nature such as murder, criminal conspiracy, cheating, food alteration are categorized as criminal cases. The remedies and procedure for civil and criminal cases are different. The remedies for civil wrong include claim for compensation or specific performance or injunction and such other remedies. The remedies in criminal cases, on the other hand, include awarding punishment to the guilty and to compensate the victim for his or her grievance under specific circumstances. 4 है money civil case are settled out of court by the involved parties, but such is not the case with the criminal cases because the state is also involved. Difference between the role of the courts and police. The courts and the police together play a vital role in the administration of justice, but their role is quite different from each other. Role of courts. As discussed earlier, the court play a vital role in the administration of justice. They try to provide justice to the people and punish the guilty from the lowest district court to the highest Supreme Court level. These courts try to verify the facts closely and hear the arguments of both parties, appellant and respondent, supported by witnesses. After a close examination of the whole case, they give their judgment. If either of the parties is not satisfied with the judgment, it can go in appeal to the higher court. Besides deciding the case of the individual, the court also play a vital role in the administrative set up of the country in the following ways. First, the act as a custodian of the Constitution. They protect the fundamental rights of the citizen. Third, they keep a check on the power of the legislature and executive. They can declare certain laws as ultra-virus and unconstitutional. Fourth, they decide the central state dispute or disputes arising between two or more states. Fifth, they advise to president or the governor on the matter of law. Now role of public prosecutor next day. Thanks.